Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to quickly show you guys how I paint this paint by line rainbow. I'm sticking to all pinks for this rainbow. So first I'm going in with this color, kind of like a medium, almost leans a little bit purple magenta color. And this is Plum Crazy. I always say it kind of reminds me of Barney. And then I'm going in with Peony for my center. And then following that, I'll go in with soft pink for my last little section. And you could do this with different blues, different greens, or if you wanted to go in and just do your primary colors for the rainbow, you could. And then following this, I'm going to go in with the color Cotton to paint my cloud area on the bottom. Once I'm done base coating my cloud area, I'm going to go in with the number 4 round in the color Savannah Mist, which is my very favorite gray color. And I'm going to begin to outline actually with my gray. And I'm going to outline the outside of the cloud, also go over the accents that are inside my cloud. And all of these lines that you see in the cutout are paint by line, so it means they're etched into the cutout for you. And then I'm also going to outline each of the sections of my rainbow. And then I'm going to hit each of those outlines with some black. Just hit it here and there. I'm not going to close my lines with it though. Now I'm going in with just a little bit of black, like I said earlier. This kind of makes everything stand out. It's definitely optional, but I like the way that it really makes the cutout pop. Following this, I'm just going to highlight everything with a little bit of the color Cotton to brighten it up. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.